All right, so we have here an oldie but goodie. The only reason I have this chair here is because it's practically brand new. This chair has 22 hours on it, so it was used maybe for a month or two. 22 hours total time according to the computer inside the chair. Well, you can tell, it's practically brand new. This is called a Jazzy 1170. So this is a heavy duty power chair. So it's got an extra large seat. The suspension on this chair is fantastic. It also has 16-inch knobby large tires. These are 16-inch and they're about this wide. The back tires are also large. They're 8-inch. They're about 2.5, 3 inches wide. The front, those are tip wheels. They're not on the ground. So these I can put my foot under here so you can see they're not on the ground. Okay, they're there for protection. Okay, these are also 8 inches. Okay, so what makes this chair great? Several reasons. Number one, the seat on this chair is 25 by 21. 25 inches by 21. So it's probably not going to be a good chair for inside the house unless you have a big house. Because from outside arm, we're at 30 inches. So most doors are 30 inches. This is already at 30 inches. Okay, so remember that number, 30 inches. The large foot plate that flips up when you exit the chair. Okay, you can see the suspension. If I raise the front wheel, you'll see the motor in the back. You can see you can hear the springs. That's just the springs. The back of the chair, you have a pouch. This has a built-in charger, so if you lift this up, matter of fact, you can take this cover off, and you can plug this cord into the wall right here. The cord is right here. There's an amp meter here that will move up to 2, 3, 4, and it'll move back to 0 when the chair is full. So this chair has a built-in charger inside the chair. If your built-in charger ever burns on this chair, no big deal. You can use a charger from the front like all the other power chairs you see. You can charge it from the front, okay? But this one does have a built-in charger. You can see how nice, and these are all solid wheels. There's no air in these tires at all. The headrest is adjustable and removable. This chair, if you have a yard and it's not too soft, it does really good in the grass because it's really wide. It has the wide tire and it has a really good suspension, like the old Lincoln Town Car. It has that heavy suspension ride, okay? This chair will go 6 miles an hour, so it does have a little bit of speed outside, but this is mainly for a chair if you want to go outside, but you want to go through your yard to get to the barn. You want to go, as long as your yard is in decent shape, this chair will run right through it with no problem, as you'll see in my yard over here in a minute. So this is called the Jazzy 1170. This chair, if you needed to put this chair in neutral, you can't see it from there, but there's 2 levers under here, one on each side where my hands are at. So you just need to know where they're at. There's a lever here, you just turn them, both of them, and then you can roll the chair around. But make sure you put them back in gear, because if they're not in gear, you're not going to be able to drive the chair. The joystick is on the right. We can put it on the left if you're left-handed. This has a swing away joystick a little bit. You can see that, okay? You do have a large safety belt. It also has pegs in front, so if you ever want to add leg extension, individual legs, you can drop them in here. Instead of using a foot plate, you can have leg extension. So another thing about this chair, it takes the 2 big batteries. It takes 75 amp batteries. So this chair has a 20-25 mile range. Now, of course, it does have a weight capability of about 450 to 500 pounds. But I think it's 400 pound weight capability. So if you have a 400 pound person, it may not go 20-25 miles, but it does have the big batteries, 2 75 amp batteries in here to give you more distance, okay? So if you're looking for a real smooth power chair with an extra large seat in brand new condition, just about, this would be one. This would be a really nice one to look at. So this is my oldie but goodie. This is the Jazzy 1170 power chair. Top speed is about 6 miles an hour, 5.5 to 6 miles an hour. It does stop when you let go automatically. It's got built-in brakes. Very maneuverable. You can see how well it turns on its own length. And this one should have no problem in the grass because that's what it's made for. Because of the big tires and the suspension, I'm not saying you should buy it if you have grass. I'm just saying in my grass it does very well. Do not take it out in the potato field. Do not take it out in the ditch. That's not what it's for, okay? You'd be surprised. So this is the 1170, 6 miles an hour. Remember, the arms are at 30 inches wide. That's a big wide chair. The seat is 25 inches by 21 deep, so it's got an extra large seat. Just a great power chair. If you need a large power chair to get you around, but you want to be also really comfortable, this is a nice one.
Hi, I'm Mark, and my name is Alex. We are a family-owned business for over 25 years. We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.